Did you know there are tiny, subtle behaviors that can make a woman think about you again and again without you even noticing it? Most men fail to recognize these signals, but today you're going to learn how to become the kind of man she simply can't stop thinking about. Stay with me until the very end because this final tip could truly change the game in any relationship. Welcome back to the channel where we explore how the smallest details can improve your relationships and help you gain a much deeper understanding of female psychology. In this video, you'll learn 7 things women genuinely appreciate, even if they don't always say it directly. If you've ever been curious about what women truly value, you'll finally discover the answers you've been searching for. Before we get started, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy content like this. It really helps me continue sharing insights and reflections with you. Also, if this video provides value, leave a number 1 in the comments. If not, leave a number 2 so I can keep improving. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss future videos. First, the impact of a massage before intimate moments. Physical touch is one of the strongest ways to build emotional connection. For many women, a massage does more than relax the body. It also communicates care, attention, and affection. Introducing this gesture before an intimate moment can completely change the dynamic between you. Use a pleasantly scented lotion or slightly warmed body butter. Take your time and avoid rushing through it. Focus on what helps her feel comfortable and relaxed. This demonstrates that her well-being matters to you and that you're willing to invest time in making her feel good. Second, playful and respectful flirting. Many men hold back from flirting because they're afraid of rejection or worried about crossing boundaries. However, there's a reality that often gets overlooked. Women generally enjoy being flirted with when it's done in a light, respectful, and playful manner. Third, softly play with her hair. It may seem like a minor detail, but for many women, their hair is an especially sensitive and comforting area. If you've never tried it before, consider giving it a chance. Gently running your fingers through her hair can create a feeling of calmness, closeness, and intimacy. Just be mindful of the timing. Doing it after a workout feels very different from doing it during a peaceful moment. Choose relaxed situations, such as sitting together watching television or winding down before sleep. Avoid doing it when her hair is messy or immediately after the gym, as it may make her feel self-conscious. Fourth, place your hand on her back, a simple gesture that communicates care. In a crowded setting, gently placing your hand on her back can guide her while making her feel supported. This small action conveys protection without being overbearing. Likewise, embracing her when you're alone or softly kissing from her neck toward her back can deepen feelings of connection and attraction. In busy environments, this gesture can reassure her and remind her that you're there for her. Fifth, stand up for her when the moment calls for it. Many women appreciate knowing that their partner is willing to support and defend them when necessary, while still remaining calm and composed. If someone behaves in a disrespectful or pushy way and you step in appropriately, she'll likely feel protected and valued. Even if she doesn't openly mention it, this can mean a great deal. Just be sure not to exaggerate or act purely for attention. Sixth, tell her you dreamed about her. It may sound like a small thing, but for many women, knowing they occupy a place in your deeper thoughts can be very meaningful. Sharing a dream involving her,